Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Teach Marky. For this video, I'm going to show you the answers to your activity sheet number 3, which is about potential and kinetic energy. So let us now begin. Question number 1. It refers to the energy at rest. The correct answer is potential energy. Question number 2. The three factors that determine potential energy are blank. The correct answer is mass, height, and gravity. Question number 3. The energy possessed by a body due to its position is called blank. The correct answer is potential energy. Question number 4. Look at the image below. Is there any work done? The correct answer is yes, there is work done. Question number 5. Two objects with two different masses are placed on the same shelf. Which object contains more energy? The correct answer is the object with the greater mass has more energy. Question number 6. As a ball falls freely, blank. The correct answer is its kinetic energy increases but potential energy decreases. Question number 7. A 5 kg rock is on top of a 50-meter high hill. What is the gravitational potential energy of the rock? The correct answer is 2,450 joules. Question number 8. Study the image below. Where is in the picture that the potential energy is in its maximum? The correct answer is letter B. Question number 9. Which of the following is not an example of potential energy? The correct answer is a tennis ball rolling across the court. Question number 10. What is the unit of potential and kinetic energy? The correct answer is capital J or joule. Question number 11. It refers to the capacity for doing work. The correct answer is energy. Question number 12. Which of the following statements is true? The correct answer is greater mass and higher distance above a reference point offer a greater amount of potential energy. Question number 13. A cyclist and his bike have a total mass of 145 kilograms and a speed of 40 meters per second. What is their kinetic energy? The correct answer is 116,000 joules. Question number 14. Study the data in the image below. Which of the following statements best describes the computed kinetic energy? The correct answer is the greater the mass of the moving object, the greater its kinetic energy. Question number 15. A force when applied to a spring stretches it. If the force applied is doubled, the potential energy of the spring will be blank. The correct answer is doubled. Question number 16. Study the pendulum below. Where is in the pendulum that its kinetic energy is at its maximum? The correct answer is letter A. Question number 17. Which among the images below shows kinetic energy? The correct answer is a paper airplane is thrown. Question number 18. Calculate the mass of a soccer ball located on top of a table with a height of 2 meters and has a potential energy of 20 joules. The correct answer is 1.03 kilograms. Question number 19. Study the data in the image below. Based on the given data, which of the following statements best describes the computed kinetic energy? The correct answer is the faster an object moves, the greater is its kinetic energy. Question number 20. The energy possessed by an object when it starts to move is called blank. The correct answer is kinetic energy. Question number 21. Study the activity of the man below, then answer the question that follows. What is the direction of the force applied and the direction of the motion of the box? The correct answer is upward and forward. Question number 22. What would have the greatest kinetic energy? The correct answer is a car driving down a hill. Question number 23. A box has a mass of 4.9 kilograms. The box is lifted from the garage floor and placed on a shelf. If the box gains 128 joules of potential energy, how high is the shelf? The correct answer is 2.67 meters. Question number 24. Which of the following statements is true? The correct answer is all bodies with potential energy contain force or energy waiting to be released. Question number 25. An object moving with a speed of 35 meters per second and has a kinetic energy of 1,500 joules. What is the mass of the object? The correct answer is 2.5 kilograms. Finally, this ends this video presentation. If your score is 13 or above, congratulations. If your score is 12 or below, it means that you have to study again our lesson about potential and kinetic energy and look for those correct answers of your missed questions. Thank you for listening.